This is Jacob's kennel. Look at that pretty boy. You want to come out for a while? Play ball? You want to play ball? Say hi to everybody. Can you say hi? Tell them you're a crybaby. Say, I'm a big crybaby. Come on. You want to play ball? Ugh. Oh, I know. Come on. I got your ball. I'm going to go sit on your bed. I'm going to go sit on your bed. Uh-oh. Got your bones. Can you sit? Okay. Ready? Ready? Show them how you play ball. Hey. Show them how you play ball. Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, give mommy that ball. That ball. Give mommy that ball. Oh my gosh. Give mommy that ball. It squeaks. It squeaks. Look. Oh. What is that? Get it. That's a ball. Squeak it. Squeak it. Squeak it. Squeak it, Jacob. Squeak the ball. Jacob's going tomorrow to the vet at 3. He'll be scanned for a chip and get heartworm tested and get his shots. Give me the ball, pretty boy. Oh, the pretty boy. Want mommy throw it? Squeak it. Squeak it, Jacob. Squeak it, Jacob. Jacob. Mom's gonna throw it. I got it. I got it. Mommy's gonna throw it. Ready, set, go. Good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Look at you in your nice little warm bed. Uh-oh. In your jacket. Bought a heat lamp today. Keeps it pretty warm in here. Until we can move you inside. Inside the basement pot. Mommy's got a couple other dogs in there right now. Yep. But you need to adapt anyway. Jacob! Give me that ball, Jacob. The ball squeaks, Jacob. That ball squeaks. Oh, gosh. Look at you. Got a little red harness on underneath. I just took him for a walk down the street. Did really well. Can you say hi? Say hi, everybody. Say hi.